tell you the truth. I'm breaking the rules. No mask, no chains, and no laws. I can walk, baby, when we're wrong.
Perfect bodies on the screen, you buy that lie. Starving dreams just to shine in the flashing lights. Contracts got my skin but I still survive. I'm not your doll, I'm alive. They paint our smiles, they frame our pain. A golden cage with a brand new name. But behind the glass the fire remains. An icon what can't be tamed. Raw, no filter, no lies. Burning flames behind these eyes. Touch my scars, they shine tonight. I can walk, we're raw, we fight. Raw, raw, bleeding but divine. Truth is poison, set the wine. Chains get hold, we bite, ignite. I can walk, we're raw tonight. Plastic crowns on broken youth. Stage lights blind the naked truth. You want fantasy, I'll give you more. But don't forget what we're fighting for. Check the system full of glitches. Money talks but we burn the bridges. Beauty standards cut too deep, but real icons never fall asleep. Fake love, fake hate, it's all a show. You call it K-pop, I call it control. They want control, but we own the show. Take off the mask, now the world will know. We're raw, no filter, no lies. Bleeding truth behind these eyes. Kiss my pain, it tastes like fire. I can walk, we're raw, we fight. Raw, raw, rebellion in disguise. We shine brighter in the night. Chains get hold, we bite, ignite. I can walk, we're raw tonight. Close your eyes, gotcha, no more. Taste the venom, we're what you asked for. Silk and leather, sweat on the floor. Tell me, baby, do you want more? More? Wrong, no filter, no lies. Burning flames behind these eyes. Touch my scars, they shine tonight. I can walk, we're raw, we fight. Raw, raw, bleeding but divine. Truth is poison, set the wine. Chains get hold, we bite, ignite. I can walk, we're raw tonight. Take off the crown, take off the mask. This is the future, no turning back. We're not your fantasy, we're the law. Remember our name. Icon walk raw.